eggs in muffin papers or aluminum foil make the perfect grab and go breakfast on the busiest of mornings. They are very easy to make and also a very special recipe. All you need are eggs, greased muffin tins, papers or aluminum foil. Mind you, toppings of choice can be added to this recipe. Let us show you how it is done. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to Bumi Molola and Family's channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make this very easy cooked healthy eggs and spinach breakfast. So please stay tuned and enjoy the process. If you are a new subscriber here, thank you so much for tuning into this channel. Thank you for becoming a part of this wonderful family. God bless you. And to our returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back to watch our videos. Remember, we love you, but God loves you more. Please, if you know any other method of cooking your eggs aside from this particular method, please let us know in the comment section, okay? Thank you very much. Crack in 3 eggs or more into the muffin papers, depending on how many muffin eggs you want. This recipe is a very easy recipe, a dairy-free recipe, easily customizable. It has a perfect meal prep time. It's kid-friendly. Your kids are going to love it. It's very packed with proteins. As we all know, eggs are a good source of protein, and it is a budget-friendly recipe. So please give it a try and let us know in the comment section what you think about this, okay? Thank you so much. Please, if you have watched up to this very moment, thank you so much. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it to your friends and families. Don't you forget also to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. So please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. What is a healthy breakfast without spinach? It isn't complete yet. That process right there is called steaming. We are going to steam the spinach just like so. Today's Bible reading will be taken from the book of Hebrews 11 verse 6. It says, "And without faith, it is impossible to please God." That is to say, prayer alone to God cannot please him if it is not done from the bedrock of faith. Whatever we are doing, whether we are singing, we are fasting, we are worshiping, it won't please God if it is not done from the bedrock of faith. According to one apostle I love so much, Orobo, he said, if God's dispositions matters to you, then you must walk the path of faith. I believe by the Spirit of God, this word has blessed the soul today. Until next time, bye-bye.